am so glad and so excited that you joined this course. I think you're going to find you made a great decision. So the idea here is that you're going to be able to prototype with Arduino. You're going to have an idea in your head and you're going to think, okay, how can I make this? And you're going to be able to apply the programming skills you learn here, the circuit design skills that you learn here, and you're going to be able to create something up. That doesn't mean it's going to be easy. Doesn't mean you're not going to have challenges as you go through. But you're going to have the confidence to get from that A point to that B point to make that prototype happen. So, all right, let's talk about some things real quick with the course. First off, in the download section, it's either over here or over here, you can download the book that accompanies this course. It actually accompanies about the first 20 or so lessons. It's a book that normally gets sold in the iBook store, and usually goes for like $15, anywhere from $13 to $15. But it's made available to you here for you to download as part of the course. It's a great book. It's a quality book. Sometimes it describes the concepts just a little bit differently. So if you watch the video and you still have a question, it wouldn't hurt to go to the book and reference the book. Or if you just want to run with the book, as a lot of people do, some people find reading the book really helpful, I recommend doing that too. It is a quality text. Okay, now at the end of the video tutorials, starting from like number 6 on, I have challenges. And the challenge asks you to do something that we just went over in the video. If you do these challenges, you are going to be set up for success. I'm going to say it one more time. It is so important. If you do the challenges, you are going to be just rocking the Arduino. All right? So, successful students go through, they do the challenges. I always make them a little bit difficult. Doesn't mean, they're not going to be a piece of cake. But the idea is to put that work in to get your mind wrapped around these sometimes not necessarily intuitive ideas, so that you, on your own, when you're not watching a tutorial or not reading a text, can go out and write your own programs and create your own circuits. That's the idea here. You want to have that prowess. So do those challenges. All right. Now you might have noticed there's a lot of content in here. Maybe that's part of the reason you signed up. You thought, oh man, there's so much stuff. Well, it can get overwhelming. All right, here's my recommendation. I would go through the first 15 to say 25 video tutorials in sequence. All right, that's going to really lay the groundwork for you in your Arduino learning. And then the things after that, you can say, well, I'm kind of interested in this, I'm kind of interested in that. Jump in and kind of move about. But really laying the foundation is important. So that's my recommendation there. Now, if you want to do a bunch of other things with Arduino, I highly recommend going through the libraries section, where we talk about not just using a library, but actually making your own Arduino library. The more you understand about how a library works in Arduino, the inner workings, the more you're going to be able to just go out and grab other people's code and just start prototyping things up quickly. And, that's one of the other great things about Arduino, is that there's so many people using it, this huge user base. You're able to grab the expertise of other people, and if you understand how to integrate these libraries into your own software and your own circuitry, you're going to be set up for success. All right, well, let's go ahead and get started. Again, I'm really excited. I'm so pleased you're here. So I'll see you in the next lesson.